This video is dedicated to my loving parents who got me the cookbook and the Instant Pot from Christmas this year. Thank you very much, guys. I love you. Greetings, mortals. I got a Christmas present. We have the complete Instant Pot Cookbook, 1000 recipes for your pressure cooker with effortless and easy beginner's meals from Rebecca White. And another Christmas present. And what are we making today, you might ask? Herbed turkey meatloaf, give or take. Rain about 40 minutes, give or take. Servings 5, also give or take. Hold still, hold still. Void's gonna help me. Our ingredients. We have 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 shallot minced. We have an onion, close enough, right? I save the scrappy bits for vegetable stock later. One and a half pounds of ground turkey. We've got all natural, extra lean ground beef and lakeside pork with juices. I didn't need to open that. I still have some here that I was planning to use. FML. Give some to my help to pay him. Grind this all together the good old-fashioned way. It will be part cow, part pig. The Kig! Kig meat! 1.5 cups of Romano cheese grated. We've got this. I promise you don't want what I'm messing with. At least not yet. You might want some when it's done. It's gonna be really good. 1/2 cup of cheese. 1/3 cup fine breadcrumbs. We've got a bunch of bread that I saved from going stale long ago. But it's frozen. I have to heat it up. Hold on. Slightly warmer bread bits. 1 egg whisked. Fresh out of eggs, we're using mayo. Sea salt and ground black pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon garlic and herb seasoning blend. I've got actual garlic. And seasoning blend. 1/2 cup of ketchup. 1 teaspoon of molasses, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. If you try to jump up on this counter one more time, I'm gonna... Ketchup and mustard. We're not doing the molasses and the soy sauce. Press the saute button to preheat your Instant Pot. Heat the oil and saute the shallot until tender and aromatic. Ah, the sound of sizzling garlic and onion. Add the ground turkey, cheese, breadcrumbs, eggs, salt, pepper, and herb seasoning blend. Shape the mixture into a meatloaf and wrap it into a piece of foil. We don't have foil! Mix the ketchup, molasses, mustard, and soy sauce in a small bowl. Pour the mixture on top of the meatloaf, spreading it into an even layer. Place a steamer rack and 1/2 cup of water inside of the inner pot. How do I... Yeah. Like that. I hope. Lower your meatloaf into the steamer rack. Secure the lid. Choose the poultry mode and cook for 30 minutes at high pressure. I hope that's 30 minutes. If this is where I die, post this video and tell my mom I love her. You too. I love you too. It's making a noise. It's steaming. Try to... Can you see the steam? We're doing it, guys! Once cooking is complete, use a quick pressure release. Carefully remove the lid. That's it? Okay. Did it get the steam? Okay, when it's cooking, you want to turn that way. Now we have it that way. Alright. Don't that just look delicious? I wish the lighting was better in here. That looks way better off the camera than on the camera. Way better. But oh my god, it looks good. Let your meatloaf stand for 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Bon appetit! And we have a pressure cooked meatloaf. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.